Hi, my name is Michael Espinosa, and I'm quickly going to show you how to download and install and use File Zilla on Windows XP. First step is to open a browser. We'll simply go to Google and search for File Zilla. So I'm going to go ahead and just type that in, File Zilla. You can see here the first result should be the right one. It's filezilla-project.org. I'll go ahead and click on that. And once you're on their site, there's a big button on the home page that says Download FileZilla Client, and that's what we want to do. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And we're on Windows XP, so I'm going to go ahead and choose the Windows platform. If you're using Linux or the Mac OS X, they have FileZilla for those operating systems as well. I'm going to go ahead and choose this one for Windows XP. Let that take us to a new page, and it's going to go ahead and download that. We'll click Save File, and it's done downloading. I'm going to close that window, and we'll minimize the browser. And it should be right here on your desktop or wherever your downloads go. I'm just going to double click on that and go through the license agreement and let it install. So we're going to go ahead and just click I agree, next, 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 and install. Alrighty, we're going to let that quickly install. Should only take a few moments. And there we go, we're all done. Okay, we'll go ahead and click on this so that it starts when we click finish. We'll click finish. And here we go, we're in FileZilla. It's downloaded and installed on Windows XP. So the first thing we're going to need to do to use it is insert our FTP information, so that your hosting information is going to be something similar to what I'll type in. I'll use my own server as an example. FTP dot your server, your domain name, FTP dot, for me it's going to be designkinetics.com. You're going to put in your username. Mine is server admin at designkinetics.com. And then you'll enter your password. And then the port should be 21. We'll go ahead and do quick connect. And just like that, we are connected to the server via FTP. So you can see right here, basically there's two sides to the program. Let me go ahead and minimize it just a little bit so we can see the whole program together. Okay. So there's basically two sides. On the left is going to be your computer, all the files that are on your actual desktop computer, and on the right is the server that you're connected to. So there's four boxes. The top rows say what folder you're in, and then the bottom ones show you what is inside of those folders. So you can simply go through these by double clicking through the folders in the bottom ones. I'm going to go ahead and go to a domain, one of my domains, and show you how we can use this. I'm going to click through. For example, we can just take one of these files off of my server and put it onto the desktop. So I'm just going to click and drag it onto the desktop, and just like that, there it is. So just like that, we've taken something off of the server and put it onto our desktop. And to show you how to put it back on, or to bring files off of your desktop back onto the server, I'm going to go ahead and rename this to Logo 2. And let's go ahead and I'll show you how to use it from this side. It's going to start looking like this. We can just click on desktop, and you'll see what's on your desktop. We have the program we just downloaded, and we have Logo 2. So if we want to take Logo 2 and put it into the server, all I need to do is I can click this, and I can drag it over, and just like that, it says file transfer successful, and we can see it right here, Logo 2. It's pretty much as easy as that. We just drag files and folders back and forth between here, or from whatever's on your desktop, or an open finder that you have into the server. So that's a real quick tutorial on how to use FileZilla on Windows XP. Thanks a lot.